Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan to talk about how to choose the best drill for your house. Everybody wants a cordless drill or a cordless saw. They're cool, they're handy, you don't need a cord, you're kind of free. This is a plain old corded drill. Probably 1/4 the cost of this battery drill. The difference is, it's not so convenient. I gotta plug the darn thing in. But when I plug it in, it's good to go. Its battery is never dead or low. You got extension cord, you can go anywhere you want. The other thing with a corded tool, this will give me more power. And the other thing is, say I'm using this with a sander or a grinder or a bit on it that I'm going to be working it kind of hard, I can use this drill, and if I blow it up, I blow up $35. Throw it out, go get another cheapy drill. But this baby has got to be charged up and ready to go. If you just pick it up off the shelf after 6 months, it might only have half a charge. It'll drill 2 out of 3 of your holes. The third hole, you didn't get to finish the job. So I can take this, I'd go drill my holes, hang my stuff. Inconvenient, I need a cord, but it will never fail you. So the first drill you buy for your household as you're starting life, get a corded drill. The problem is, how often do you use them? If you are an occasional user around the house and you're going to hang a picture every 6 months or do something every 6 months, this drill is not for you. The day you pick it up and you go to use it, the battery will be dead or weak. When you start wandering around your house in places you can't use it, then invest in a cordless drill. First tool of choice when you're working around the house, get corded tools. I can use this drill, and if I blow it up, I blow up $35. Throw it out, go get another cheapy drill. Save your corded drills for your fancier jobs. Stuff that isn't 1 hour of continuous hard labor. This is the one you're going to use for that. So here it is. Pick your first tool of your life, corded. Inconvenient as it is, you're at your house, you got power, you got extension cord, you can go anywhere you want. First tool's power, second tool, battery operated. Quick tip, get your life going from MrHardware.com.